Vertical tabs in Chrome. There is a hidden layout that most Chrome users have never seen, and it will change how you browse forever. Watch until the end to turn it on in under 60 seconds. Launch your Google Chrome browser. This works in the stable, beta, and canary versions, so no matter which one you use, you are covered. Type chrome://flags into your address bar and press enter. This opens the experimental features menu, the secret playground most people never visit. In the search box at the top of the page, type vertical tabs to find the specific setting. This part is very important. Locate the vertical tabs option in the results. Click the drop-down menu next to it, which usually says default, and select enabled. Keep watching. Don't close anything yet. Click the relaunch button that appears at the bottom of the screen. This restarts Chrome and applies the changes automatically. Here comes the magic. Once Chrome restarts, right-click on any empty space on your top tab bar. Then select Show Tabs Vertically or Move Tabs to Side to instantly transform your layout. Your tab names are now fully readable, and you can scroll through dozens of tabs without losing track. If this tip saved you time, hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. I will show you another hidden Chrome feature that doubles your screen space.